Cervoz offer lots of things to add to your industrial PC. We took a look at some of their peripherals and their expansions and found something that we thought was very, very interesting. Hey, it's Aaron with ipXchange, coming at you with another in-office video. So I'm sure many of you are very familiar with the M.2 form factor, and you'll find loads of different types of modules that you can just plug into industrial PCs. But there are a few different lengths of M.2 form factor, and what Cervoz has done is that they have made a few different products for Ethernet, serial, and USB connectivity interfaces, where you're given a single M.2 form factor product, but you can snap it off to the different lengths. So that can be in a length of 42mm, 60mm, or 80mm to suit your application, with that standard 22mm width. So the Ethernet expansion card comes with up to 2 interfaces at either 10, 100, or 1000 megabits per second speed. The serial one supports RS-232, 422, or 485 interfaces, up to 2 per card, and on the USB one you get 2 USB 3.2 interfaces. The beauty of these products is that they're already pre-certified for all that industrial level of certification, so that's going to save you some time with your development, but it's also going to save you some cost as well, and probably some head-scratching time while you're waiting for things to go through. What's even crazier about this is it gives you one single stocking item for 3 different form factors, and Cervoz doesn't have a minimum order quantity. So you can buy one of these, you can buy 100 of them, and Sophie even says that they've always got stock, and if you come approach Cervoz, they can have you with all the parts you need within a day. These are great for small industrial PCs, but if you want high speed or you're running something like a data center, Cervoz do also do some bigger form factor expansion solutions that'll have higher speeds and more ports. But here at ipXchange, we really like to see things that we've not seen before, and I absolutely love the fact that you can just snap off these boards to the correct form factor, and you can have trays full of them and just use the ones at the correct length for all your different products. So check out Cervoz and check out their M.2 form factor expansion boards for Ethernet, serial, and USB communication. Keep designing.
Hey, yo, where my engineers at?